So there's just simply whatever seems to happen. Holding a phone, making a post, sounds, voice, words. Just this. Hearing this message, sitting, wondering, liking, not liking, wanting to get this, not wanting to get this. Just what's happening. And whatever's happening or not happening is as innocently happening as the moving of the clouds, as the blowing of the wind, as the trying to find bits of dog food in the snow. It's just what's happening. Simply this already. Whatever is happening or not is already not separated from this. It's just full on this. It's full on whatever is happening or not. And liking this message or wanting to see that it's just this, or wanting to know that it's just this, is this already. There's nothing separated from this which can know this, which can reach this, which can gain this, and at the same time thinking or feeling there's a me able to get this, able to find this, able to know this. It's just this. Having the sensation, belief, feeling that there is a me who maybe one day will see this and find this. Is this already? There's nothing to find, which is not this already. Trying to find this and trying to get this is just simply this. This is it. This is it already. And whatever's happening, the wanting to find it, the sense there's a me, the longing to get this, all that is just innocently happening, like the moving of the clouds, like the melting of the snow, like the sun warming the face. It's just what's happening, innocently, effortlessly. As is this. Saying there's just this, just innocently happening. Just what's happening. Saying there's just this, or saying there's more, or not, or believing there's just this, or liking the suggesting or the words that there's just this, is just innocently happening, just arises. And this may change. Liking these words, or this suggesting, or whatever you want to call this, may just simply stop. Innocently. The law for this message is this already, and it may stop as innocently as the start of loving this message. Simply what's happening. Loving, liking, wondering. Just this.